Welcome back. You're tuned into News Now with me, Ankita Saxena. Well, let's speak about the markets then amid the whole election volatility. Well, Nifty snapped its 3-series winning streak and closed with 2% losses. In terms of stocks, the top gainers were M&M, Hero MotoCorp and Adani Enterprises. Top losers were Titan, Tata Motors and DRL. And when it comes to the broader markets, Nifty Midcap hit a record high earlier but ended the week with over 1% losses. The small cap index too snapped its 2-week gaining streak. Sectorally, Nifty Bank ended in the red and was down 0.1% this week. Except for the PSU banking index, all sectoral indices posted losses. Nifty IT and energy were the top drags. Well, my colleague Ansh is joining us to give us a detailed roundup and insight into how the month of June has been how the month of May has been for Dalal Street over the past 10 years. Should the street hope for good gains or muted returns in the month that just got started? Let's go across and ask Ansh about how the June month seasonality has been.
We have collated data for the month of June of over last 10 years, and as per that, market seems to be a bit positive here. But let's talk about Nifty first. In last 10 years, in the month of June, we have seen that index has delivered an average return of over 1%, but it has been positive for only 5 times out of last 10 Junes, if we see. So this is showing a 50% probability of being in positive. Now, if we talk about other broad indices, then both mid-cap and small-cap has been positive for 6 out of 10 times, showing 60% probability of being positive. And both of them have delivered an average return of over 2%, 2.3% for mid-cap and around 2.6% for small-cap. So broad indices seem to be having good opportunity as compared to Nifty for the month of June. Let's talk about sector indices. And on 10-year average basis for the month of June, all major sector indices look positive, with Nifty Pharma being the top performer, gaining over 3% on an average basis. And this is followed by Nifty Realty and Nifty PSU Bank as well, which are up by over 2%. Also, Nifty Pharma, Nifty FMCG and Nifty Metal were all green in 7 out of last 10 Junes in last 10 years. On contrary, we are seeing that Nifty Bank and Nifty Financial Services were red in at least 6 out of 10 Junes, showing probability of these financial indices to be in red 60% of the time. Lastly, let's have a quick view on top stocks as well that were positive for at least 5 years in last 10 Junes. Here we are seeing REC, SKF, Welspun Living, Kirloskar Pneumatic, VIP Industry, Timken all have delivered return of 5 to 12% on an average basis. So overall, market looks positive for the month of June. Mid-cap and small-cap have better opportunity as compared to Nifty, but Nifty Bank and Financial Services may face some pressure in the month of June.
All right, that is what we can expect from the month of June.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.